Want to make your WordPress editing experience cleaner and distraction-free? Today, I'll show you exactly how to navigate WordPress and activate Spotlight mode. Start by opening your web browser and heading to WordPress. On the homepage, look to the top right corner for the login button. Click it and choose the Continue with Google option. Select the account you want to use and you're securely logged in, ready to customize your site. Once you're on your WordPress dashboard, locate the Quick Link section and click on Edit Site. This opens the site editor where all the magic happens. At the top right of the editor, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on them to reveal additional settings. From this menu, select Preferences. Inside Preferences, head to the Appearance section. Here, you'll find the option for Spotlight mode. Toggle it on, and instantly your editing workspace transforms. Spotlight mode minimizes distractions and highlights the elements you actually need, making your workflow faster and more focused. Activating Spotlight mode isn't just about aesthetics, it's about productivity. You can now concentrate fully on creating and editing content without unnecessary clutter. And that's it. With Spotlight mode enabled, your WordPress editor becomes streamlined, clean, and far more efficient. Dive in, enjoy the focused workspace, and make your website editing smoother than ever.